potty for a second before we get started. So you want to find a place to get the best signal. Surprisingly. I don't know why. I may have to bring it down here, plug it in. Oh, yeah, that's plug it in. Yeah.
Aaron.
You good?
I got Mr. Ryan.
That's my husband.
How do you spell your last name?
First name is E-R-I-N.
That's right. Oh.
Is it? It's like 263 something.
Oh,
Hi there.
that's weird.
Is my number the same as Ryan's
Yeah, okay.
number?
Yeah. Give me a second.
Yeah, right? You all right?
How are you? I forgot right. This has been numbered out for me. Should have 5 more.
It's a little sluggish, but it could be my computer.
What?
Big racquetball day?
Yeah.
Trying to do something here, I can't. Trying to enter something into our main city event next weekend, and it's not letting me do what I want to do.
Assuming I'm going to do the registration.
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. You know how to do the,
Check this.
no, the memberships
Yeah. We're doing
online? You don't do them on paper anymore. We don't do them on paper, you do them
I'm
online.
sure I figured out. It's probably just checkbox, right? Okay. I'll take a look at it. How do we do the waivers? What I don't even know.
Well, we do the whole thing online. I mean, we're paying it anyways.
Okay.
Okay, we're paying the $10 limited weekly license fee anyways.
So is there an option to check the $10 license?
I'll show you.
Okay. All right. Jeremy, you set? Are you set? Okay. Cool. Okay. Thank you. Huh?
Said hopefully my game day works out.
Why? Too sweet or?
I don't know. They said that one of those containers makes 24 of them. It makes 24 quarts, so that's like 6.5 gallons. So I poured one of those and half of another. So
Probably about right.
and I'm gonna put up 2 signs. That's why there's no copy in it.
Okay.
There is some down.
kids to come out for that,
Yeah.
so hopefully we'll see some of those kids. Cool.
I don't know what the TV's for, but yeah, there's TV set up in there. I don't know if it's
Oh,
for
maybe to watch how to do it?
do it, maybe, yeah.
I'm gonna move these balls sideways. Try to squeeze it right. Operator, I think this is the number I would give you. How many checkers do we really have to do in these?
42.
No, I mean, good.
Bag balls.
It's good, isn't it?
Cheap as cans.
I know.
There's a sign there that says we have here.
Yeah, like I've got
Scissors
scissors.
being here on the office.
Come on, stupid balls.